Okay, so this is the Ampligain AM8. So this is an XLR and USB mic. So it's a streaming microphone. So as you can see, this is it in the box, and it's made by Fifine. So like I said, it's the Ampligain AM8. So with Fifine, they always package stuff really well. Let's just have a look what's in the box. So let's just open that. So like I said, it is a desk stand mic as well. So this is the stand that you get with it. So let's just take that out. And here we have some instructions. So this is a user guide just to set it up. So really easy to set up. So there's all your instructions. Like I said, it is USB and it is XLR. So let's just have a look what's in here. Okay, so we've got the cable. So that's the USB cable to connect it up to a PC or MacBook. And here is the mic. So let's just take it out. Put that to one side. So this is it, guys. So this is the mic. So like I said, it's really built well. You've got this foam wind foam thing here that does come off. So that is the actual mic. They're really good quality by Fifine, always really good quality. So let's put that back on, and there you've got it's got LEDs on it. So as you can see there, I believe that is a touch sensitive. So when it's all plugged in by USB, these will light up. I don't think it works on XLR because I've had a couple of mics from Fifine before, and they only work on USB. And then you've got your microphone gain here knob, and you've got the headphone monitoring knob there as well. So this is it. So you got the Fifine logo on there, and there's your arm there to put it onto a mic stand when you're using it with a XLR cable. So just look at the bottom here. So there you go. So you've got the XLR input there, you've got your USB, and you've got your headphone monitoring as well. So yeah, so this is it out of the box. So what we're going to do, going to get this set up, and I'll do some tests with the XLR connection and the USB connection on this mic. Okay, so this is it all set up on the USB connection. So here it is. So this is on a stand here. So you've got the LED there. So if you just touch here, so if I just touch that, it does change different color. So as you can see, it's changing to different colors. So that's a really good effect. I'll just leave it on the blue again. Yeah, that blue. So this is not the audio quality that's coming out of this mic. So what I'm going to do next, then I'm going to show you what the audio sounds like through the USB connection on this mic. So this is me about 6 inches away from the mic. So this is the kind of audio quality you're going to get. So this is it through the USB mic. So if you're liking the audio that's coming through on this mic, if you could subscribe, like and comment, that'd be much appreciated. So this is me about 6 inches away. If I get a bit closer, the audio is going to get a bit clearer as well, if you can hear that. So this is it here. So what do you think, guys, to the audio on the USB connection? So this is the Ampligain AM8. So this is from Fifine, like I said. So it's a really good microphone for like podcasts or interviews or anything like that. So I hope the audio is coming out okay. So this is it on the USB. So what we're going to do next, I'm going to plug it into an XLR and use the Focusrite interface, audio interface. So let's just set that up now. Also, I got to mention about the mute bottom on the underside. So as I'm talking now into the mic, if I press that, there you'll be able to hear me talking again. So it's a touch sensitive mute button on the bottom there. Let me just do it again. Press it again, you can hear me now. So yeah, so I'll show you now what it sounds like through the XLR interface. So I'm using a Focusrite XLR interface. So let's just set that up and then see what the audio is like coming through there. Okay, so this is now plugged into the Focusrite audio interface. So this is not the audio coming out of the XLR through the audio interface. This is just the mic. So it's all plugged into the audio interface. So this is it all set up here. Obviously, like I said earlier, with the LEDs, the RGBs, they don't light up. And also the mute doesn't work on this as well. On the bottom, for some reason, the mute on the XLR connection. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to switch over now to the XLR connection and going through the audio interface. Okay, so this is the audio now coming through the Focusrite audio interface. So I hope the audio is sounding okay. If it sounds any better than plugged through USB-C, let me know down in the comments. So this is what the audio you're going to get on this Fifine Ampligain mic, the AM8. So it's a really good mic, like I said, for podcasts. You know, and as I pull away, so that's about 6 inches away. So I hope the audio is still okay on the mic. And then if I get a bit closer, it's going to be a bit more deeper audio. So, you know, this is a really good mic by Fifine. So, you know, would you buy this mic? Let me know down in the comments. It has been out a bit as well. Also, let me know in the comments below as well whether you would use this with a USB or an XLR audio interface. So this is just a video on the audio quality on this brilliant mic. So Fifine have sent me mics before, so you know, this is another one. You know, they are really good quality mics. This mic does look like the Shure SM7 as well, but I'm really impressed with the audio quality. So if you enjoyed the video, that would be much appreciated if you could like and subscribe to my channel, BKM Tech Reviews. So, you know, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you all soon again on my channel, BKM Tech Reviews. Have a good day.